Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Muhammad Farhan. I'm a student of Hayden Boarding School Panijahan. I'm 10 network engineering. And then in this occasion, this video, I would like to teach you, give you some tutorial about access this in a Cisco packet tracer. Okay. Uh, Before we start to go to configure our router or switch, let's we go to the understanding about access list in the Cisco. Okay, hey, access list is or commonly known as ACL is mechanism used to filter traffic on the network on our network. By applying ACL, we can allow or reject packet from a host that goes to a specific destination. It can be said that this access is like a firewall. The access list rules is like a firewall. You know firewall in microtik? Yes, that just the drop traffic, accept the traffic, but in a Cisco, different comment. In the Cisco, we use permit or deny the traffic, and then uh, in access list, there's two types of access list. There's access list standard and access list extend. Access list standard is used to traffic in general. This ACL filters all types of traffic from a host or our network. We cannot determine which protocols to allow or deny. An example of this application is blocking a host from communication with other networks. Standard access is used numbering 1 until 99 and are usually placed on the interface close to the destination packet. And, then, and for access extents, is to filter traffic more specifically. We can determine with traffic for the protocol, we can determine with the destination, we can determine use source, address, and for examples of implementing an extend access is blocking pinging connection or ECMP from one host to another host located on a different network. Extend access is numbering from if standard access is 1, the number is 1 to 99, but is for extends is 100 to 199 are usually placed on the interface close of the source packet. Okay, in the access list, you can use numbered access list or named access list. You can write down the number of standard access list or extend access list, but you can use name too. Name also. You can use name also. Okay, is that the understanding about access list? Okay, we continue to the configuration how to configuration access in our network. Read. I would like to minimize my time first. Then we go to the Cisco packet tracer. There, Cisco packet tracer. We using two router PT and then one switch and four client, a laptop, and then one server. This is topology. Okay, the goal is VLAN 10 cannot access the server, but VLAN 20 can access the server. We use standard access extend accesses. Sorry, the first step is we classification our VLAN first. go to switch, and then we make VLAN 10, enable config terminal, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, yes, convert exit, and then go to classification our interface range fr 0 slash 2 until 3, 2 until 3. Then switch mode access, switch access, VLAN 10. Then we go to the another VLAN, which is final 20, the first range fast Ethernet, 0 slash 4 until 5. And then switch mode access, switch access, VLAN 20. And then we set exit. The our business for our switch is done, so we do not configure our switch again, so we configure in the router just in the router, and then do right, that's it, and then we go to our router. No, and then enable configuration terminal, and then the first step is we put IP address in the interface to connect to our router or our each router, and then we put IP address for specific VLAN. So the first step is interface. We go to interface serial first, who interface connected our each router serial 2 slash 0, and then we'll shut down an IP address. We use 10.1.1.1, and then we use slash 20 10 30 152. That's it. And then we turn on our interface for client. Now shut down. And after that, we configure interVLAN for our VLAN. InterVLAN interface VLAN interface pass Ethernet 0 slash 0 dot 10 for VLAN 10. Then escape village that one key, and then 10, and then IP address for the client you use 192.168.1.1.1 we use slash 24. That's it, and then we go to the another interVLAN for VLAN 20 because address 0 slash 0 dot 20 escape late dot 1q and 20 for 20 IP address using 192 168.2.1, and then we use slash 24. That's it, and then we go to we use IP DHCP for our client to make it easier. Network 168 0, and don't forget to use subnet if you use what network. Full net on 68 0, and subnet for slash 24, and default 968 the 2.1 exit, and then do right, then we configure the another router in our topology. No, enable configuration terminal, we put IP address in our each interface. Interface serial 2.0 no shutdown, IP address 10.1.1.2 using slash 30 in here, and exit interface internet 0/0 no shutdown. IP address, you put IP address in here. We use address 8.0.8.8.8.1, and then we use plus 24 to we routing first to the client. IP route, IP route, and then put the destination, network destination, 0, and then subnet max of the network of the yes the destination, and we use the gateway. Right, then we put the IP address in our server first. Use 8.8. Then done, and then we configure in our router and client, sorry, IP route for network 8.8.8.0, and then red max of the network destination, and we use gateway 10.1.1.2 enter, and then do show IP route. You can see here static try to ping first or make sure our route is success, our routing is success. Okay, and then we get the DHCP. Ping, try to ping. Okay, can. Okay, let's go to application our access list. Okay, for comment of the access list is you write the IP access list, and you write the number of access list standard. We use access list standard, not access list. Uh, and access list extend. So IP access list one. I forget the comment. Sorry. Wait. Wait, access list one. Wait. IP access list one. Sorry. Wait. Oh. Okay. Like this. We're using access the standard access list one, and then we write down the network of VLAN 10, 60, sorry, deny first. Deny for the network. VLAN 10 is 192, 168, that 1.0, and then write down the subnet of the network. Then, that, and then remember guys, for the access standard, you just can use IP source IP, not destination IP. If you want to use destination IP, you can use extend. You can use extend access list. Access list one and exit. Sorry, don't do right. And the show IP access list. Okay. Any way, not bad. Security is okay. And then we configure the interface first. Set this interface serial 0 80 address list access group 1 out. And then for interface first address 0/0 is IP access group 1 in. So the traffic data is from client, and then enter the router from fast ethernet 0/0, and then the traffic data go out from a router. We use interface serial 2/0. Yeah, yep, then do right. So we try to ping the VLAN 10 to the server. Do show IP access. No access list. Try to make access again. Begin. IP access list. One standard. Then 10 deny for network. VLAN 10 58.1.0 on the subnet the network. Then use sequence and hit for hit and set to show IP access. Oh, sorry. Use wildcard, not using subnet. IP standard one. No. 10. We make again 10. Deny network of the VLAN 10. 2.0. Then we use wildcard, not use subnet. That's it. And then do show IP accesses. Yes. Okay. Interface serial to 0 and then IP access list group 1 is out, and then we go to interface fast ethernet. For interface to the client is IP access group 1 in hit, and then do right, and then try to ping. Okay. Okay. We already get our goals is the PC in VLAN 10 cannot ping to the server, but the PC in VLAN 20 cannot access server. It's successful. Yes, that's our goal. Okay, so the configuration is like that. Don't forget to use wildcard, not use subnet, and then yes, net deny. We're using permit of deny like a firewall, and then for the standard access list, you just can use search IP, not using IP, not destination IP. If you want to use destination IP, you can use access list extend. Okay, just that the the tutorial from me to you guys. I hope this so useful for you. Sorry if I have a lot of mistake in this tutorial. Last word I say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.